Hello everyone, here I am going to solve 2017 CSAT question number 68 from question paper series A. The average rainfall in a city for the first 4 days was recorded to be 0.4 inch. The rainfall on the last 2 days was in the ratio of 4:3. The average of 6 days was 0.5 inch. What was the rainfall on the 5th day? So here this is a problem on average. So how we find average? Average equal to total sum divided by total number of items. So from the first statement, the average rainfall in a city for the first 4 days was recorded to be 0.4 inch. That means 4 days average equal to day 1 plus day 2 plus day 3 plus day 4. We are taking rainfall recorded in each day divided by 4, we get the average. So here average is given 0.4 inch. So to find total rain recorded for the 4 days equal to, we are multiplying this 4 with this 0.4 inch, we get total rainfall recorded for 4 days equal to 4 into 0.4 equal to 1.6 inch. We just took this 4 to this side. Then in the next statement it is given that the rainfall on the last 2 days was in the ratio 4:3. That means the ratio of rainfall recorded on day 5 to the day 6 equal to 4/3. That is how we can write this statement, second statement. Then third statement, the average of 6 days was 0.5 inch. That means 6 days average equal to D1 plus D2 plus D3 plus D4 plus D5 plus D6 all divided by 6, we get 0.5 inch. So from that we get 6 days rainfall equal to 6 into, I am just multiplying this into the other side of this equal sign, then it become multiplication. 6 into 0.5 equal to 3 inch. Then to find the total rainfall recorded in the city for day 5 and day 6 equal to 6 days total rainfall recorded minus this 4 days, first 4 days recorded rainfall. When we deduct like this, we get total rainfall recorded in the 6 days equal to 3 inch minus for 4 days it is 1.6, we get 1.4 inch. This is the rainfall recorded on day 5 plus day 6. Then come to this equation, the second statement, D5 divided by D6 equal to 4/3. The ratio of rainfall recorded on day 5 to the day 6 equal to 4:3. That we can write like this. So from this we can write day 6, rainfall on the day 6 equal to, I'm taking this 3 this side, 3D5 divided by 4. I took D6 here, then 3 this side and 4 this side. So we get D6 equal to 3D5 divided by 4. And we know D5 plus D6 equal to 1.4 inch, that we got from here. Instead of D5, D6 we put this value 3D5 divided by 4, this is 1.4. After simplifying this, 4D5 plus 3D5 divided by 4 equal to 1.4. Total 7D5 divided by 4 equal to 1.4. 7D5 equal to 4 into 1.4, it is 5.6. D5 equal to 5.6 divided by 7, we get 0.8 inch. This is the rainfall recorded on the day 5. Our option is option C, 0.8 inch. If you have any suggestions, please do comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Keep supporting and loving us. Jai Hind.